Hi everyone, it's Winsome back again with another origami video, and we're making another animal origami. I know I've made like so much these past couple of origami videos, but I just really love animals, and today we're going to be making an ostrich. Yeah, there's not much to say about it. We're just making an ostrich because I want to. And we're first going to begin by making a bird base. So taking your square piece of origami paper like usual, we're first going to flip over to the color side and then fold it in half diagonally on either side. Like so, and then unfold it. I'm going to flip round and fold it in half both ways. Awesome, and then once we've done that, we're going to take one square where the other ones seem to all look like it's looking onto, and then collapse it down onto itself by bringing either side and the top down and then squishing it, making sure it's as even as possible. And then that's our square base. Obviously we want a bird base, so we're just going to fold either of these sides towards the center line. And then we're just going to open it up and squash it down, following the creases we just made. And try and get it as even as possible. And flip to the other side and fold it to the center line as well. Then repeat. So that is the bird base, and then with the flaps on top we're going to fold either of these sides here to the center. And we're going to repeat that on the other side as well. Classic camera running out of battery partway through, but anyway, taking one leg, we're going to fold it in half again as best as possible. And then do the same on the other side. gonna be a very slim model. And then with this one leg, what we're going to do is fold like a valley fold about this much of the model. Like this. And then next thing you're going to do is push it up and do another fold in onto itself. Like this, and squash down. Like so, and then you're gonna fold it again down for the last time to form the head of the model. Yep, like this. And then what you're going to want to do with the rest is fold down the arms kind of diagonally, like so. Like that, folding it down. Then we're gonna try and open and push the center part down. As we open the arms up slowly to try and not expand it too much. Yeah, that is your ostrich model. So hard to show on the camera. The whole thing. Yeah, this is how it looks. Gonna have to hold it out here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed making this origami, and like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about it, and like the video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I post. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.